In the middle of a heap of debris, police found the bodies badly burnt and was identified. The police teams reached the spot and started their investigations.
Everything looks completely destroyed.
Yes, sir.
Meaning Spiles was crying uncontrolled.
How did this happen? No, this can't be true. You can't just leave me like this. I don't want to live anymore. Beta, don't cry. No one can fight what's written in destiny. Please stay strong.
There was a cylinder's blast in the house which had killed Payal's husband while checking near the gas cylinders. Police noticed strange marks near it.
Patil, something's not right here. Yes, sir. Looks like someone did this on purpose.
Then Inspector Ravis noticed a shirt's buttons lines next to the cylinders. He picked it up and says,
Let's see what secret this holds. There is definitely someone's hand behind this.
a little later, Ravis comes to question Payal.
Can you tell us exactly what happened? We don't think this is normal accident. It seems like someone planned it.
Who would kill my husband? Someone was jealous of our happiness.
We found some tampering on the gas pipe. Do you suspect anyone? Any doubt on someone?
Yes, I know who it is. I'm sure it's his doing.
Speak clearly. Who are you talking about?
It's done by Pawan.
Pawan. Who is he? And why do you suspect him?
He was at our house for dinner last night. Everything was fine, but later they got into a very heated argument.
Why the argument? We also found this button near the cylinder.
Button that could be his. Sir, his intentions were never good. He and my husband were business partners, but he was always jealous. If my husband died, the entire business would be his. When my husband learned about his greed, he tried to make him understand, but instead, Pawan, he insulted us. I'm sure he killed him.
Do you have any proof claiming all this?
Payal gets lost in thoughts even after hearing her stories. Ravis looks at her with suspicions and then leaves. Next day, police went to Pawan's
Is
house.
this button yours? This button. Sir, found the shirt. The button matches exactly.
Ravis takes the shirts and compares the buttons. The buttons on the shirts and the ones found near the cylinders were
Pawan, you
identical.
are under arrest. Get ready for the jail.
The police arrested Pawan and takes him to the police station.
Sir, please believe me. I didn't do anything. Quite. Every criminal says that. Better confess. Otherwise, Inspector Ravi will give you third-degree treatment. Did you understand what I say? Now confess everything. Come on. No, sir. Trust me. We have evidence against you. What evidence? Your button matched the one found near the blast site. And your argument recording. What recording, sir? Last night's argument with Mahesh. It got so heated that you couldn't control yourself and you took revenge. No, sir, you are getting me wrong. That's not true. Why would I kill him over such a thing? Then why did you fight? You wanted his business? No, sir, you are mistaken. I am telling you, believe me. Patil, lock him up. Come on, fast. Move.
Constable shocked within to the cells.
Sir, please believe me. I am innocent.
Later, while Inspectors Ravis and Petals were driving.
Sir, this case got solved so quickly. No, Patil, you are being fooled. The simpler a case looks, the trickier it is. Investigation is far from over.
Meanwhile, at Payal's house.
Ma, why did this happen to me? Why? Why so? Why is God so cruel to us? First my sister and now Mahesh ji. Beta, please control yourself. After so much happening, Ma, I feel like leaving everything and ending my life. Don't ever say that, beta. I have already lost your sister. You are all I have now. I can't lose you now. Life is about falling and getting back up.
Her mother's is comfortable stays past one night. Piles lay awake in bed. She was feeling sleepy.
I can't sleep. Looks like I'll have to take the medicine again.
Piles gets up and walks to the cupboards while scorching. She finds a diary. Her little sisters.
You loved writing diary so much. Now only this is left of you.
Piles opens it and going through it was she reaches on the last page. Yours and is nears by ready for its readings. These files crumbles and throws the diaries away just then the phone ring.
Who's calling at this hour?
Piles take calls. I have a surprise for you.
What surprise? And who are you? That you will know in time. Who are you and what do you want from me? You will know soon. I'm hanging up now. Check your phone. I have sent you something.
Piles gets very scared just as a message arrived. She opens it and her heart sank. Rushing to the windows, she looked outside in all directions but saw nothing.
What is this happening to me? Who is watching me like this? How did they get a picture from inside my room?
Piles was now trapped in hours of fears and confusion. She did not know what to do. A few nights later, whilst she was sleeping, she heard a fan's sounds and she gets up.
Who's there?
She switched on the lights, searched the walls, house saw on one, but when she came back to her room, her blood runs cold on the mirrors. Someone had returned.
You are next. Your sister and husband are gone. You won't be spared. Bye.
Piles get terrified.
No, this can't be happening.
She felt a shadow that passes behind her. She gets terrified and runs to her neighbor's house and begins lovelies on the door.
Kaki, open the door quick.
Hearing her front techniques, the neighbors opens upon seeing Piles so scared. She says,
Arey beta, what happened? Why are you so scared? Kaki, someone wants to kill me too. I don't know what to do. I don't want to die. Please save me. Please save me, Kaki. Okay, calm down first, beta. Tell me what happened. Kaki, there is someone in my house who is always watching me and sending me threats too. I don't know what to do.
Piles told Shakuntala everything.
Don't worry, beta. I'll call the police right now.
Shakuntala calls the police and Inspector Ravi arrives. Who inspect Pile house?
See, there is nothing on the mirror like you said. We have checked thoroughly. It's all clear.
No, sir. Please check properly. I saw it with my own eyes.
See, Payalji, we have checked thoroughly. Seems like you imagined it.
No, it's not possible. I'm not imagining things. I remember correctly. I saw it with my own eyes. Yes, I have one more proof. Come with me. I'll show you.
Piles goes inside her house, searches frantically for the diary but did not find it.
Where is the diary? It was right here.
Payalji, I think you are wasting our time. You need rest. So please relax. We have to go now.
Saying these inspectors Ravi left her, but Piles was not in a good mental state. After that day, she continuously observes one thing after the others. She felt like someone was always watching her, waiting to kill her. Shakuntala's aunties also wanted to help her, and
who
one
kept
day.
this letter here? Let me read it.
Shakuntala reads the letters on which it was written. The waits for dads is about to be over. After reading the threads, Shakuntala's I am sure there is something, but who is it? Who is after Payal's? She plans now to take it was proofs and cards Inspector Ravi's.
See, sir, I told you there is something. Someone is after Payal.
Patil, this case is more twisted than it look. We need to dig deeper. But first, let's ask a few questions. So Payal ji, do you suspect anyone who could be doing this? Any clue? Any guess?
She's back.
Who is back?
Ghost.
Payal ji, stop joking. Ghosts don't exist.
No, don't kill me. I will tell you everything.
Who is trying to kill you? What are you afraid of? Tell us. What do you know?
Payal conditions was unstable. She was not in her since under the repeated questions she suddenly screams.
Yes, I killed them. I killed my husband and my sister. Inspector sir, please arrest me. I don't want to die a horrible death. She's back. She will kill me. Please save me. Please save me.
Everyone was stunned.
What are you saying? Are you alright?
Yes, I'm telling the truth. I have confessed. Now, please save me.
What was Payal's saying? Why did she confess this? And even if she did this, why did she do this? That gives the answers to all these questions. A woman enters who looked exactly like Payal. She had an angel on
Who
her
are you?
head.
I am Payal.
What? What is going on here?
Let me tell you everything. I am Payal and this is my twin sister Ria. I got married into a rich family with a loving husband. Ria could not accept that. She thought if I died, she could take my place easily and no one would know about it since we are identical.
What? Then why did she kill Mahesh?
Tell them, Ria.
At first, Ria stayed silent, but under pressure, she burst on angrily.
Because he suspected me and I knew if he died, I would get a huge insurance payout. So I killed him. I loved Mahesh once. That's why I removed you from my way first. But later on, he started doubting me, though I didn't tell him the truth. But I understood that one day the truth will get revealed sooner or later. That night, I called his friend, made them fight. Recorded it, killed Mahesh with my own hands. But your luck ran out. You pushed me into water, but people saved me.
He threw shocked everything. Ria was arrested and then taken away.
Dear madam, your drama is over. Now spend the rest of your life in jail.